Hello, Berry Bears from my class, Mr. Rizzi's class, and Miss Wynn's homeroom. And what I wanted to do today was give you a video overview of how to navigate Canvas, as it will be the main thing we're using for our virtual learning, but also should we return to school, you will find that several of your teachers will still be using Canvas as a tool in your learning. So in order to understand that, it's good to understand how to navigate. Now, if you look at the video, you'll notice that I have logged in to Rapid Identity. Your password should have changed, and hopefully you have made that necessary change. And I wanted to really quickly, before I locate Canvas, which is right here, I wanted to point out one of the sites that we're going to be using in reading this year is over here. It's called Ed, Your Friend in Learning. And that is actually where our textbook is going to be. So there will be stories, questions, activities that I send you to go to, and the links hopefully will be in your Canvas course. But if by chance they're not always in your Canvas course, you can come here to Ed, Your Friend in Learning, click on that, and the activities will be assigned to you in Ed, Your Friend in Learning. This is our HMH book. Also, we have the textbooks available for pickup at the school. You should be watching this on Tuesday of this week. The school pickup is Thursday. I can also put an announcement out on Canvas for you to be able to see that. Now, immediately when you log into Canvas and you click on Canvas in Rapid Identity, it should bring you to a page that looks kind of like this. This is your dashboard, as you can see right here. And obviously, as a teacher, I have a lot more courses just because I'm also taking a lot of my teaching courses online where they want us to learn new materials. But you'll notice that here I have my reading 5th grade Rizzi. So you're going to be going to that and then also social studies 5th grade Rizzi, but I have not published that one yet, so it's not on here. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and go click on that. Now, once you click on this, your Canvas should look very similar to this. On the side over here on the left, you'll see home, modules, grades, and there will be a fourth one that shows up once we actually put an announcement in here, and that is, of course, our announcements. You want to make sure that you are going through this and checking everything you need to check. Now, over here on the right, you'll see there is a to-do list. However, we don't want you just to focus on that. What you really need to focus on over here is this listing of links, which mainly you're going to be looking at your modules. So the first place I'm going to go is, of course, modules. Now, as of right now, you'll see that I've put up English Language Arts and Reading, and you'll see there's a daily schedule, Zoom meetings for when we are going to Zoom. There will be a link in there to our Zoom where I teach you during the reading time, and the schedule is in there as well. I'll be meeting with you guys on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 12:30 to about 1:30. Okay, we also have our class overview, help if you need technology help, and of course our school website should you need to go to it. Okay, and then down here are some more help resources. Now you'll notice immediately that I have no reading resources in here yet. When you log in, or by the time you're actually watching this video, you should see one that has the date for this week. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch out of the student view and over to the my teacher view so you can at least see what that looks like. So let me move that. Okay, so here I am in modules. And you'll see, of course, we have the week of August 17th through the 21st. So when you first log in, you'll also notice that it says here, prerequisites, English Language Arts, and Reading. Having trouble with the word language today. Okay, so you're going to have to go through these sections here before you can actually begin looking at this. Now, you'll notice that I have it separated into days. So here, of course, is our Monday. And right now, you'll see I have how to navigate Canvas, which is, of course, this video you were watching. Welcome to 5th grade, and then introduce yourself, Flipgrid. So there's some information in there. Now, when you log in tomorrow, there will be a couple other modules in there. So if you happen to have done the Flipgrid already ahead of time, a couple of us have already, please make sure you go back and go through this. Now, I've also said that you have to mark these items as completed before you can move on. Now, it's going to be very tempting to go through Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday once we have all the information in there. But what I want to tell you is that there will be some things that are not published yet. And so you need to make sure you stay on target for that day. All right. So a reminder then, if you need to go back to the home page, you will see home. And what this does is this brings you to this page where you see my virtual classroom that right now doesn't have any links, but is available for you to go through. Okay. Then here you'll see send me a message through your inbox. Miss Wynn is going to go over how to go to your inbox later, but it's over here on the left, and how to send us messages. And of course I have links. If you click on these pictures, you'll see resources, schedule, technology help. Okay. And then every week on this page, I'm going to have information on what we're doing in reading. So of course, here's Monday, welcome back. And the objective, I will be able to navigate the Canvas module for lessons and assignments and show I know by completing an introduction Flipgrid in the module. Okay, so when we used to write objectives on the chalkboard, this is where we're writing them now. You'll see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So as you can see, by Wednesday, we're starting to look at setting goals for reading and writing for the school year. Thursday, discussing why reading is important, information like that, well, also on Wednesday. And then by Friday, we're going to actually start making connections to texts that we have read as students and even myself as a teacher. So that brings us to our quick navigation of Canvas. And again, you will be able to answer or ask us questions either in the live Zoom meetings that we have, or again, our inbox over here will be one of the best ways to get a hold of us. Thank you.